if you always say me, this lesson is for you.
Many people like to say, yes, me too. They say it again and again. But me too is not always correct. Let's learn why, and let's learn other words we can use. What does me too mean? Me too means I feel the same, or I have the same thing. Example, someone says, I am happy. You say, me too. This means you are happy also. But there is a problem. Some people say, me too, even when it does not fit well. This can be confusing, or it can sound repetitive. So today, we will learn other words to use instead of me too. Situation 1. Agreeing with an idea. If someone shares an opinion, don't just say, me too. Instead, say, I agree. I think so too. That's true for me as well. Situation 2. Sharing a feeling. If someone says how they feel, don't only say, me too. Instead, say, I feel the same way. I understand because I feel that too. Situation 3. Sharing an experience. If someone shares something that happened to them, don't just say, me too. Instead say, that happened to me as well. I had a similar experience. Now let's learn about another common word, fine. Many people, when someone asks, how are you, always say, I'm fine, every single time. But fine does not always show how you really feel. Let's learn other words. If you feel good, you can say, I'm doing well. I'm great, thank you. I'm feeling wonderful today. If you feel okay, but not great, you can say, I'm doing okay. I've been better. I'm hanging in there. Let's learn about another common phrase. Same here. This is similar to me too. People use it to agree quickly. But again, too much repeating can sound less natural. Instead of same here, you can say, that's exactly how I feel. I was thinking the same thing. You took the words right out of my mouth. Why is this important? When you use different words, your English sounds more natural. It also shows that you are really listening and really thinking. People will enjoy talking to you more. Let's practice together slowly. Instead of me too, say, I agree. Instead of me too, say, I feel the same way. Instead of I'm fine, say, I'm doing well. Instead of same here, say, that's exactly how I feel. Well done! Now you know there are many ways to express agreement and to express your feelings. You don't have to repeat the same words every time. That's it for today, friends. Remember, you don't need me too every time. Try one new phrase this week and watch your English grow. See you in the next lesson!